This quick tutorial is going to show you how to use color dynamics with your brushes to paint better looking fur. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep watching. Color dynamics is a feature you can add to any of your brushes from the brush settings menu in Photoshop. Just click on a brush and open your brush settings, then click on color dynamics to add it. Make sure you have apply per tip at the top ticked on as well, so it applies to every stroke you make with your brush. To use this feature for fur, just adjust the brightness amount. I usually use 30%, but you can mess with this as much as you want. You can play around with the hue and saturation amounts too, or leave them alone. Adjusting the purity amount will affect how intense your color is, but this can also drastically change the look of your selected color, so I wouldn't advise messing with it if you have a specific color you want your fur to be. With this one change, you can see a huge difference in how your fur looks as you paint using just one brush and one color. If you're a patron of mine, then you already have all of the brushes used in this example in the fur folder of my brush set. If you're not, you can easily find free fur and hair brushes on places like Brush Easy and DeviantArt. If you keep up to date with the community tab on my channel and my art accounts, then you've already seen the sheet posted, so go ahead and grab it if you'd like to save it. It gives you a simple rundown of these steps to reference whenever you want. That's it for this video. As usual, thank you to my small collective of patrons helping me make things like this possible for you. Later.